Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Darsha Agrawal and welcome to another favorites video. Now Feb has been a very eventful month, so I had to make this video. Of course I'm doing it for every other month, but Feb in particular was really eventful because I went to so many events. I spent a lot of time with family and friends. Then I went to many places. I ate a lot of different kinds of food and it was just a very happy month. I think so yes, without any further ado, let's get into the video. As usual, I have everything written in my phone because my memory sucks. Like, I can't remember anything for my life, so I have written out categories and things that I loved throughout the month. So yeah, let's just get into it. First category is favorite cafes. Now you all know that I am a big time cafe hopper kind of a person. I love exploring new places and new places where I can get good food and stuff like that. So we started this month with one of my most favorite places of all times for South Indian food in Mumbai. So it's Cafe Madras in Matunga. It's very famous and you get like really delicious South Indian food. I'll put some pictures over here so you can see, and that was, I think, the most beautiful morning and most beautiful start to the month because a heartwarming meal is what you need. So yes, Cafe Madras is definitely the best South Indian food that I have ever eaten in Mumbai. The next cafe on the list is Bougie Cafe. Now this was not my first time trying Bougie Cafe. I tried it first in December, and this time my friends came to Mumbai and I had to take them there because I am just in love with their coffees and their croissant, and overall like their food and the whole menu. It's so sophisticated and yummy and everything is just perfect. Plus the vibe of this place is very beautiful, very cozy, and you sometimes spot celebrities as well at this cafe, so you have to check it out. And their house cold coffee is my absolute favorite. I mean, I can just have one at any given time, and the almond croissant is to die for. You have to try it out if you are in Mumbai. Next cafe on the list is Earth Cafe. Now this has been on my list for a while now. It's in Juhu and it looks very pretty and aesthetic. The food is vegan and all healthy things you would find in the menu. So I really liked the variety over there, even though it's all vegan. The coffee was great, the service was nice, and the food was also really nice for the kind of menu that they have. I loved it. So if you are into vegan food or healthy food, then you should definitely check this out for like brunch and or lunch with your friends. Next category is favorite beverages. Now favorite beverage पे honestly मेरे पास सिर्फ coffee के options है because I'm such a avid coffee drinker. There's this coffee that my sister's friend brought from Kenya, and Africa ke coffee is worldwide famous for a reason. So we make this coffee at home using a French press, and it's just so yummy. It has notes of dark chocolate and cranberry, and it's just so beautiful. Like, the flavors are just, oh my god. So yes, that has to be one of my favorite coffees of the month. And then second one I have is filter coffee from Madras Cafe. You just ask for less sugar and extra strong, you would love it because really amazing filter coffee. Like, we instantly fell in love with it, and we actually brought packets of filter coffee to make at home. Next category is favorite song. It's this song by Bruno Mars, Die With A Smile. It's trending on Reels and that's how I found it. Bruno Mars के गाने मुझे हमेशा से काफ़ी पसंद आते हैं because the lyrics, the music and everything is just very beautiful, and इस song के lyrics बहुत ही ज़्यादा beautiful है. So I just love it for that, and that has been my song of the month. Next category is favorite quote. Now you know that I went to this cafe known as Earth Cafe, and वहाँ पे ना bill के साथ में they gave us this card. उस पे लिखा था happiness looks good on you, and I read it and I instantly had this big smile on my face. Like, it really made me smile. So that has been my favorite quote of the month. Next category is favorite clothing item. I shopped a lot this month because of sale and all of those things. Like, my birthday is coming up, so I was just excited and I shopped like a lot of things that were in my wish list for a very long time. So I have two top favorites currently. The first one is this white skirt. Now I wanted like a classic white skirt from the longest time, but Zara में ना हमेशा out of stock types था, and H&M में मुझे मिल नहीं रहा था मेरी size में, but it was finally available, so I got this one and it's so versatile. Looks very cute and chic, and I can style it in so many different ways. That's why it's my favorite. The next item is a brand new pair of denims. So I got this denim from H&M. Now this is a high-rise flared jeans. Now flared jeans is back in fashion, like the bootcut style, fitted on the top and flared at the bottom. So I found this color and I had nothing in this color in my closet denim wise, so I had to like get this one, and it fits me so perfectly. It looks so chic, so amazing that I can't wait to wear it. The tag is still on, but you know, when I tried it on, it was just very comfortable and I loved every bit of it. So I can't wait to wear it outside and style it. Next category is favorite snacks. So this month I tried these new chips from 2Yum, and it's the Bhoot chips and it's very spicy. So if your spice tolerance is a little bit more, then try this out because it's just a perfect snack and I absolutely loved it. I'm definitely going to buy more for the next month because I am such a snack person. I need good snacks in my snack cupboard and I'll be happy. Next category is favorite products, and I have like 4 products over here that has been my absolute favorite this month. So first one is this body lotion from Wishcare. It's the AHA BHA body lotion and it helps to like smoothen rough and bumpy skin. Now I tend to get like a lot of bumps over here on my hands and on my back. Gently exfoliates to get rid of all the tan and stuff like that. That's why I love it. The next product is this hair mask by Dove. Now I have read like a lot of reviews about this particular one on the internet, and I was always wondering whether it's actually good or it's just reviews out there. So I had to try it for myself. It's a 10-in-1 deep repair treatment hair mask, and you know, मेरे और दीदी दोनों के ही बाल बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो रहे थे because of the weather change and stuff like that. So we tried this on and it has changed our hair game because it has made my hair so much more manageable. It's more soft and silky and smooth and shiny, all of that, and I'm just obsessed with this particular product as of now. And it's a weekly treatment, so you just have to leave it for like 5 minutes after washing your hair and you'll be good to go. So yeah, if you're struggling with dry ends and dry hair in general, you should definitely give this a try because honest reviews only. Next product is a lip balm. So I've spoken about this on Instagram as well, and I'll be talking about it I think for years to come because I'm obsessed with this one. It's so good. It's the one by India Wild. It's in the shade Wedding Rose and I'm currently wearing it on my lips right now. So you know, it's the perfect pink for everyday use. Whenever you don't want to wear a lipstick, you can definitely just step out using this, and it's super hydrating at the same time. So I'm just going to repurchase it over and over again, and obsessed is an understatement. So if you're looking for a good tinted lip balm, then definitely get this one. Next product is my all-time favorite. It's the Chemist at Play Underarm Roll-On. It's so good. I mean, it gently exfoliates and it prevents odor and stuff like that. It's great for everyday use. This is almost over. I already have another pack in my cupboard, and yeah, just a great everyday deodorant roll-on. I mean, yeah, great. If you're a college student or you're working and you live in a city like Mumbai, which is UMid, then you should definitely check this out because amazing. Last but definitely not the least, my favorite moment of the month. Now this month had a couple of favorite moments, but if I have to just pick one, then it had to be this H&M party that I went to. Now H&M is a brand that I personally use and love so much. Like all my clothes, most of my clothes are from H&M. So yeah, it was a big deal that I get to collaborate with them and attend a party with them. So yeah, this moment right here was a moment that will be etched in my heart forever because I get to be in front of cameras and living my dream life, all thanks to you guys. So yeah, I felt really grateful that day, and that has to be my favorite moment of the month. And on that note, I'm going to end this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this and you got some fun recommendations from this video. Do let me know if you enjoyed watching this video, like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.